Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. You must have screen time configured and a passcode set so changes stick. Open settings on iPhone/iPad or system preferences on Mac, then go straight to screen time. Once there, make sure you're in the main screen time pane. If not, enable it and create a passcode. This step prevents users from re-enabling private browsing, so set a passcode you won't share and proceed to content and privacy controls. Now you'll change web content settings to remove the private option. In Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap Content Restrictions, then find Web Content. Choose Allowed Websites only to lock Safari to a curated list or limit adult websites to restrict features including private browsing. Once done, add approved sites or adjustments. Make sure the screen time passcode is active so the setting can't be altered. This forces Safari into a non-private mode because the browser must follow the device-level content policy. Finish by verifying Safari behavior. Open Safari and try to open a new private tab. If restrictions applied correctly, private option won't appear or won't function. Make sure to test with multiple pages and restart Safari if needed. If settings revert or someone changes them, relock screen time with a new passcode and check for multiple user accounts or managed profiles that could override restrictions. Key troubleshooting tip: if changes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.